Good day, everyone. My name is Janailer Sipobi, and my report is about Shankara. These are the studies of Shankara, Upanishads, Brahma Sutras, Bhagavad Gita, Prakaranas. First is, who is Shankara? Adi Shankara, also known as Shankaracharya, was an influential Indian philosopher, a theologian who lived during the early 8th century. He is best known for his consolidating the doctrine of Advaita Vedanta, a non-dualistic school of Hindu philosophy that emphasizes the idea that the individual soul, the Atman, and the ultimate reality, the Brahman, are one and the same. Key concepts of Shankara. First is Advaita Vedanta. Shankara is known for his consolidating philosophy of Advaita Vedanta, which posits that the ultimate reality, the Brahman, is non-dual, and that the individual soul, the Atman, is identical to Brahman. This philosophy emphasizes the illusory nature of the material world, the Maya, and the importance of realizing one's true self to achieve liberation, the moksha. Second is scriptural commentaries. Shankara wrote detailed commentaries on foundational Hindu texts, including the Upanishads, the Brahma Sutras, and the Bhagavad Gita. His interpretation provided a clear and systematic exposition at Advaita Vedanta, addressing various philosophical questions and objections. Third is emphasis of jhana, the knowledge. Shankara highlighted the path of knowledge, the jhana yoga, as the primary means to attain self-realization and liberation. He believed that understanding the true nature of reality through study and contemplation was essential for overcoming ignorance and realizing the unity of the Atman and Brahman. The fourth is monastic tradition. Shankara established four major mathas, monastic centers, in different regions of India, which played a crucial role in preserving and spreading the teachings of Advaita Vedanta. These centers continued to be influential in the spiritual and cultural life of India. Practical spirituality. While emphasizing knowledge, Shankara also recognized the importance of ethical living, devotion, the bhakti, and meditation as complementary practices on the spiritual path. He advocated for a balanced approach that integrated knowledge with devotion and ethical conduct. These are the core teachings of Shankara: the non-dual reality, the Advaita. Shankara thought that the ultimate reality, the Brahman, is non-dual and without a second. Everything in the universe is a manifestation of this singular reality, and the perceived multiplicity is an illusion, Maya. Unity of Atman and Brahman. He asserted that the individual soul, the Atman, is non-separated from Brahman. Realizing this unity is the key to liberation, the moksha. The ignorance of this truth is what binds individuals to the cycle of birth and death. Third is the illusion of the world, the Maya. According to Shankara, the material world is an illusion created by Maya. This illusion causes individuals to perceive duality and separation, leading to attachment and suffering. Fourth is the path of knowledge. The Jnana Yoga. Shankara emphasized the importance of self-inquiry and knowledge as the primary means to attain liberation through study, contemplation, and meditation. Individuals can transcend ignorance and realize their true nature. The fifth and last role of ethics and devotion. While knowledge is paramount, Shankara also acknowledged the role of ethical living and devotion, the bhakti, as supportive practice on the spiritual path. These practices helps purify the mind and prepare it for the realization of non-dual truth. These are the study of Shankara, the Upanishads. The Upanishads are a collection of ancient Indian texts that form the philosophical foundation of Hinduism. They are considered the concluding part of the Vedas, the oldest sacred scriptures of Hinduism, and are sometimes referred to as Vedanta, meaning the end of the Vedas. The Upanishads explore profound spiritual concepts and seek to explain the nature of reality, the self, and the ultimate purpose of life. And this is the foot of it. Next is the Brahma Sutras. Brahma Sutras, also known as the Vedanta Sutras, are a key text in Hindu philosophy, particularly in the Vedanta tradition attributed to the sage Badarayana. The Brahma Sutras are a complete competition of aphorisms that systematically summarize and interpret the teachings of the Upanishads. They aim to provide a coherent framework for understanding the nature of Brahman, the ultimate reality and the path to liberation, the moksha. And this is the photo of it. Next is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, often referred to simply as the Gita, is a 700-verse Hindu scripture that is part of the Indian epic Mahabharata. It is a sacred text of the Hindu religion and is considered one of the most important spiritual classics in the world. The Gita is written in the form and a dialogue between Prince Arohana and Lord Krishna, who serves his charioteer. And this is the photo of it. And one of the brothers discussed it already. This one is the last one of Shankara's study, the Prakaranas. Prakaranas are independent treatises written by philosophers and scholars to explain specific aspects of a philosophical system or to address particular topics in more detail. In the context of Advaita Vedanta, Adi Shankara and other scholars wrote Prakaranas to elaborate on the principles of non-dualism and provide practical guidance for spiritual seekers. And this is the photo of Prakaranas. That's all. Thank you.